Come on, baby. Don't be so quick to don't walk away. Come on, you don't have to admit you have to admit you wanna play, just dance with me. Let me find you to the talk to me, boy.
La dum dum, la da dee da da dum. Take it day by day, that's the life of a man.
Picking up shirts right now, Joseph Vincent t-shirts. Yup, and then we're gonna head to San Diego. Diego, we coming. Hi, Joseph. Haro. Okay.
I'm gonna wear one of them even though it's a girl t-shirt.
Joseph Vincent t-shirts. Cause they got money on their mind and they never get in Burger King. Can we get a Big Mac, please? Wait, hold on. Please.
With cheese or without?
Please with cheese.
Please with cheese.
On our way to San Diego. Sleepyhead.
Sleepyhead.
We're in the middle of a freeway. I'm gonna play a prank on him right now. Fuck. Well, where are we? Where's your phone?
Do not feed squirrel birds.
Hi.
Hello.
What do you have in your hand?
This is the first merchandise for Joseph Vincent. I'm speaking in third person. For Joseph Vincent. I'm going to give it to an audience member. Whoever's the loudest.
It was a good show.
It was a good show.
San Diego always represents.
I know, San Diego shows so much love all the time.
All the time.
All the time, every day.
Best.
Play a Pazuki?
Ask me how I feel after.
Yeah.
Pazuki!
Win.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Playing with dogs.
Addie! 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 Come here, give me a high five. Come here, give me a high five. Come here, give me a high five. High five! Yeah! Yeah!
So cute. We got P
For Penthouse.
Really?
Yeah, I think so. So we totally just randomly, we stayed at Mikey's last night.
Get out.
And
we
then,
got a penthouse for
We got a, we
the same price?
The same price.
Wow.
Same price as first level. We talked our way into
even you.
I talked myself into a penthouse room for me and Mr. Joseph Vincent.
How?
I don't know. He just was like, yo, just an upgrade.
Overlooking the street.
Yeah. Yo, this
With
is
a palm tree.
This is a pretty ghetto penthouse.
Good job, Tom.
Maximum load, 4 persons.
What if we get 5 people? Alright guys, so Tom said to go here. So go here. and be there. And by love.
Touch the ceiling.
My head?
No, your hands.
Boom.
Your hands.
I'm so tall.
That's where we're at. Gonna get our seafood on. Swordfish.
Swordfish, salmon. Swordfish and salmon. Swordfish and salmon.
What do you think of the place?
It's bomb diggity.
Oh, going regularly. It's Joseph Vincent!
Happy birthday to you.
We found a sign. I feel like breaking the law.
No. Standing. Annie. Just woke up. Sunny day out, real nice. What's that?
Oh, I was imitating Ken Belcher playing guitar with my voice. Love, love, love.
Hello.
And I have taken over just Vincent's camera.
Oh, it's actually Tom's.
Oh, Tom.
We'll be eating like a fatty. But show everybody else. Is it recording?
Yeah. So
Okay,
here, this is the Daniel Che, this is the Clara, this is the Victor, this is the Frankie, this is the Paul Date. This is Joseph Vincent's reenactment of Brad Pitt eating, as he does in all his movies.
I'm sitting down.
It's effortless. It's a what you want. It's so good. What's so good? What is so good? What is so good? Wait, this isn't mine.
What are you guys doing?
I can't play piano!
Teaching him the piano, but it's not working.
Alright, I'm gonna have someone count on count of three, alright? 1, 2, 3.
Good show, everyone. Wow. Good show. Good show.
Excellent.
Excellent. Excellent. Excellent. Excellent. Excellent. Thank you. Excellent. Excellent show. Excellent show.
I see.
I see.
Accompaniment right here.
Yeah, backup band.
It's just not a band right here.
Good show.
Thank you.
Good show.
Yeah,
Good show. Good show. Good show. Show. Good show.
Hi. Hello, Tom. Hi, Tom.
Hello. Good show. Good show.
When I pulled it out, he was trying to pull it
Good show. Good show. Good show. Good show, guys.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're so good. You're so good. Hi.
I'm gonna sing it like him, okay? Like my poser.
Let's run away from these lies back to yesterday. Say